So look, if anybody hates wallpaper, I'm sure the majority of the public hates wallpaper. It's a pain in the buttocks. So we want to show you, this is how me and Tom deal with the wallpaper. We've done a boatload of wallpaper over the years with apartments, with everywhere, with borders and stuff like that. And it's real simple. I know they sell a lot of steam machines. We've done all those. A lot of that stuff is just very time consuming, pain in the rear. But look, a lot of the face, especially anything that's been on there a long time, a lot of it, look, this was right in front of you. Now I know everybody's story is different, and I know that a lot of wallpaper is tougher than that, but one of our little tricks with a 5-way, I know a lot of people use these, don't use it the way it's made to point. Flip it backwards, okay? Because then that ramp part is going straight up and you're getting those teeth to lock in. And the whole trick is to get this face off. So a lot of times when you dig, if you do it backwards as opposed to this way, you don't dig into the wall nearly as easy. I can put a lot of pressure at an angle and it's going to slide right into play instead of digging into the wall, gouging up all this wall where I got to come back and put a lot of mud work to get it right. Show them right here where it's already been done. This is smooth, there's no gouging, and all that glue and everything is completely off. So the first thing you want to do is you're not worried about the glue portion, you're worried about the face of it. Whatever that pattern is, get that off. Once that's off, take you a spray bottle, warm water, hot water, okay? I'm gonna spray this right here, saturate it. Once that pretty face is off, take that spray bottle, okay? You're not gonna hurt a thing. Spray that really, really good, just like this, very saturated. Leave it alone. Now I'm going to start working on the paper over here. When this is done, I'm going to soak this. I'm going to re-soak this. Here in just a second, we're going to bring you back in. We're going to show you. Watch, this will come off just like butter. Okay, so look. You can clearly see I got off all the face. I'm right here. This is dry. I don't have any wetness here yet. This is all as I went. I wetted that. I got that face off. I wetted that. I got this face off. I wetted that. Now, all this has been sitting here basically marinating for us. Before I start, I'm going to put another quick little burst right across all this. Same way we did to get that face off backwards. This is 20-year-old wallpaper. 20-year-old. Just like that. Hopefully that helps you at home. And there you go. Took under 20 minutes. Under 20 minutes. Because most of those wallpaper faces, the pretty design, most of those will come right off with little to no problem. Then you're staring at the glue portion And if you just saturate that along the way while you're continuing to pull off whatever face of the wallpaper there is, by the time you get ready to do that, it just goes out like butter.